Hey everyone, welcome back to the another video. In this video, we are going to perform practical number 3B to interface 8 LEDs at input-output ports and create different patterns. As you can see the output, after completing this practical, you can able to create this pattern. So let's start the practical. So first you have to open Kill software and select project, new project and give the project name. I'm giving the project name as practical 3B. And you have to search 8089C51 and select it and click on OK. And then you have to select no and click on plus of target 1 and select source group 1. Then create a new file. And the code link is in the description. You have to open that link and copy the code and paste it here. Then you have to save it. This is C programming code, so you have to save this file as .c extension. After saving this file, you have to right click on source group 1 and select add existing files to group and select practical 3B and add this file and close it. Now you can see the practical 3B is now visible. Now right click on target 1 and select option for target. Then you have to change the frequency to 11.0592 MHz and select output and click on create hex file and click on OK. Then you have to right click on target 1 and build target. Now you can see there are 0 errors and 0 warnings. So we will start with Proteus now. After opening Proteus, select new project. Then you have to give the project name. I am giving the project name as practical 3B. If you want, you can also change the location where you want to save this Proteus project. Then click next and finish. Now you have to click on component mode, then select P for pick device, and then you have to search for 8089C51 and select and press OK. After selecting microcontroller, you have to select LEDs. You can select any LEDs. You can see there are lots of options for LEDs. I am selecting total 8 different colors of LEDs. You can select only one also. You can do this practical with only one LED. But in this video, I will take total 8 LEDs so that it will look colorful. If you want, you can take 1 LED, 2 LED or 3 LEDs. It's up to you. It is not compulsory to take 8 different colors of LEDs. After picking all the LEDs, you have to select 8089C51 and place the microcontroller 8089C51 where you want to place it. You can, if you want, you can also zoom it so that it will look better. And now you have to select LED and place it one by one. And after placing the LEDs, you have to connect LEDs with the pins. And you have to connect LEDs with itself also. And after that, you have to go to terminal mode and select ground. Then you have to place it ground here and connect ground also with LEDs. Then you have to double click on microcontroller and select program file. As you know the program file, you will find it in object folder. That hex file we just have created in Keil software. So practical3b.hex file, you have to select it and you have to change the frequency to 11.0592 megahertz and click OK. Now we just need to execute. At the bottom of the screen you can see that there is play button to execute. Click on that play button. Now we have successfully executed the program of creating different patterns. So I hope you like this video. I will meet you next time.